Hey guys, this is Desire's journey. Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys step-by-step process on how to do the hot oil treatment. How to do the hot oil treatment step-by-step process. Now the first thing you need to do is you wash your hair. You need to wash your hair to make it clean so that the hot oil will enter the scalp more easier and the treatment will be more effective. Then you need to divide your hair into sections. As you can see, I've already done that. Divide your hair into sections before you apply the oil. Then you need to get a bowl. That is this bowl of you take a spoon of oil. Then you put oil into the bowl and put it in a bowl of hot water. You don't need to boil the oil or eat it using a stove or a cooker. All you need to do is to get a bowl of hot water, a smaller bowl, pour in your oil, then put the bowl into the bigger bowl of hot water. Then you wait for 30 seconds. I've already done mine. You can see I'll let it cool a little bit. But the kind of oil I'm using now is coconut oil, homemade coconut oil. You can choose to use olive oil, palm oil, whatever oil you are using for your hair. But today I'm going to be using homemade coconut oil. I've already done heat up my oil, so I'm going to wait a little bit so that the oil can cool. If you apply the oil hot the way it is, it will burn your scalp and eventually damage your hair. So you need to wait for it to cool a little bit so that you can be able to apply it. Not cool till it become very cold, or no, just cool so you can be able to apply the oil. So I think mine is a little bit cold. What I'll do is to know if it will work for me, I'll put a little on my skin. If it doesn't heat up my skin to the extent that it becomes too hot, I know the oil isn't ready to use. But I put it on my skin and it's not that hot, so I can comfortably use it. So I'll get a comb and comb out my hair. You can use an application bottle if you want, but I prefer using my fingers to get in all the oil into my hair. Start from the root to the tip of the hair. Then you get the shower cap. Cover it for 20 minutes. After that, you wash your hair and wash your hair and moisturize and style. As simple as that. You can use a hair dryer to add more heat to your hair. So I'm adding a shower cap and my bonnet to it to add more heat to my hair, to allow the oil get into my scalp properly. Then I'm going to wait for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to wash my hair, moisturize and style. That is just how to do the hot oil treatment. You can see I've moisturized my hair and I've styled it. So this is just the 3 simple steps of doing the hot oil treatment. The first, you wash your hair, then you put the hot oil into a bowl of hot water, then you apply the oil to your hair, you wash and you style. Just very simple steps in making the hot oil treatment. Please subscribe and like this video. If you have enjoyed what you watched, you want to see more, subscribe and like this video. Then if you would like to see, you want to suggest any other video or any other hot oil treatment you have done on your hair and it worked, please tell me down in the comment section down below. Tell me how you have been able to apply this hot oil treatment to your hair and how effective it has been for you. See you next week, same time on Thursdays. I would really appreciate you guys to keep subscribing, keep liking and keep watching. Thank you all.